This is a 7-string bass. It's actually my main instrument. I grew up in a musical family. Both parents were classically trained on the piano as well as singing. And couldn't be helped. I ended up going down that road myself. But yeah, like I said, I grew up in a musical family. Literally, if you walk into my parents' house, it looked like a music store. Piano on the right, full organ on the left. You had vibraphones, steel guitars, cellos, saxophone. Saxophone was actually my main instrument. Saxophone, clarinets, flutes, everything. And those were my toys. But so somewhere along the line, I don't know what happened, but I took a liking to the bass guitar. And ever since then, wherever I go, when I go on tour, this comes with me because, like I said, it's my own instrument. A few years ago, when I was on tour of the mainland, I was in San Luis Obispo, and that's my bass. And right before going on stage, this wonderful, mature woman came up to me and said, "Do you know any Don Ho songs?" Okay, so I did it. She didn't know at that time, I was Don Ho's bass player for 16 long years. Oh, don't clap, don't clap. I started with him while I was in college, and no, I totally enjoyed it. But, so that woman was very happy. Then the next day, after San Luis Obispo, I went to Santa Barbara, and that wonderful woman was there. "Do you know any Don Ho songs?" Got it? After that, from Santa Barbara, I was in Los Angeles. Yeah, she was there. Ever since then, I would do this song. Mainly because she might be here. Don Ho's most famous song. You guys know Don Ho, by the way? There we go. And if you guys know this song, please don't sing. I hate this song. 6 nights a week, 16 years, 2 times a night. Maybe because Don forgot he did it the first time. So here we go, Don Ho. Tiny bubbles